Hello everyone, welcome to our volleyball timeline reel. Today, let's discover how this amazing sport started and how it became popular all over the world, especially here in the Philippines. The founder, William G. Morgan. Volleyball was invented in 1895 by William G. Morgan. He was a physical education instructor in Massachusetts, USA. He wanted to create a game that was fun and active, but not as rough as basketball. So he combined elements from tennis, baseball, handball, and basketball to make something new. From mintonate to volleyball. At first, Morgan named the game mintonate. However, during one of the first demonstrations, people noticed how the players kept hitting or volleying the ball back and forth over the net. Because of this action, the name was changed to volleyball, and that is the name we use today. Introduction in the Philippines. The sport traveled fast and reached the Philippines around 1910. It was brought here by Americans. But Filipinos didn't just play it, we improved it. Filipino players invented the famous set and spike technique, which made the game much faster and more exciting. This is a big contribution that changed volleyball forever. FIVB and PBF. To manage the sport globally, the FIVB, or Federation International de Volleyball, was founded in 1947. They are the international government body that makes the rules and organizes world tournaments. Here in our country, we have the PBF, or Philippines Volleyball Federation. They are responsible for developing the sport, training athletes, and representing the Philippines in international competition.